host Emily, where everything is easy to make and delicious to eat. It's been over a year since I haven't posted, but I am back and I'm starting out strong because we're going to be making a delicious marry me chicken over rigatoni pasta. But of course you can serve this marry me chicken over mashed potatoes or over rice if you want, or spaghetti, whatever you want. It's so delicious. It's creamy and easy to make. My family loved it and I know yours will too. So let's get started with the ingredients. So let's start here with a pound of chicken tenderloins. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and I already have them in my bowl. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm also adding about half a tablespoon of salt. We're going to mix very well. And in my pan at medium-high heat, I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm just cooking my chicken 5 minutes on one side until it's nice and golden brown, and then we're going to flip it over to the other side. Now we're ready to flip over after 5 minutes cooking at medium-high heat. And we're going to cook this for about 8 minutes. If you see that the chicken is drying up, you can add a little bit of water. Mix well, and after the 8 minutes, my chicken is ready. We're going to set it aside, put it in a bowl, and we're going to continue with the rest of the ingredients to make this delicious marry me chicken sauce. So we're setting the chicken aside, and now we're going to continue by adding 1 tablespoon of butter. And don't worry about the scrapes, it's going to add flavor once we add the chicken stock. We're going to mix well. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped white onions and 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh garlic. Now we're going to mix well. We're going to cook this for about 3 minutes. And I'm also going to add a little bit of the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes, just so it can add a little bit of flavor. We're going to mix and let this cook for about 2 more minutes. And now we're going to add our vegetable stock. The whole carton. If you have chicken stock, you can add that as well. Now we're going to scrape everything around the pan because that is flavor. It's not burnt. Now that the sauce or the stock is simmering a little bit, we're going to add our heavy cream. And I'm adding about 1.5 cups of heavy cream. I'm adding 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. This is what's going to give the sauce flavor and it's going to thicken the sauce a little bit. We're going to mix well. And let's add 1/2 cup of roasted red bell peppers and 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. We are going to mix, and now we're ready to season our creamy sauce with a pinch of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Let's mix, and now let's add 2 teaspoons of salt. You can taste the sauce to see if it's to your liking. We're going to let this boil and cook for about 5 to 8 minutes on medium-high heat. Once our creamy sauce starts to boil, we're ready to add the chicken. We're going to cover it up and cook for about 5 minutes. And now we are ready to add the dried thyme leaves. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of that, as well as 2 teaspoons of dried oregano and 2 teaspoons of dried basil leaves. And it's going to add so much flavor to our creamy, delicious marry me chicken sauce. We are ready to mix, and our sauce is pretty much done. Now we're ready to add our pasta. Cooking the pasta alongside the sauce. So I cooked it according to the instructions in the box, and I have here rigatoni pasta. You can use spaghetti. You can serve this over mashed potatoes or over rice. I do like to add spinach to my marry me chicken sauce. So I added 1 cup of fresh spinach, washed already, and fresh parsley leaves, finely chopped, just on top. I'm going to mix a little bit, and last but not least, I do want to add cheese so it could be nice, creamy, and cheesy. So I'm adding some Gouda cheese and as well as Swiss cheese. I feel like the combination It's perfect. We're gonna cover it up. We're gonna let the cheese melt. Look how good. I mean, creamy, delicious, cheesy, perfect weeknight dinner or even weekend dinner if you want to indulge in a delicious pasta. Hope you guys enjoyed this marry me chicken rigatoni pasta, and I hope you guys can make it very soon. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.